Hey, what's up, beautiful people? This is your boy D Blancas coming right back at you with another video. All right. So we are looking at lesson 4, module 2. So up here, in case you need to see it, lesson 4, module 2. Cool. So lesson 4, I was looking at it, and then I looked at it, and I looked at it one more time, and I was like, you know what? This is kind of complicated. There's a lot of pages with a lot of terminology, and it's important terminology. Don't get me wrong, right? Every single bit of mathematics is awesome, but it can all be condensed into just 2 things, and that's all we're going to focus on. All right, so right now, get on page 27. So right here, S27. And we're going to look at these 2 pages, or these 2 segments. All right, first segment, we are going to look at the side splitter. All right, so follow me. That's this part right here, the side splitter. So I just highlighted it so you can see it, and they have an image for us to follow along with. So this is basically what it means. It says you have this triangle, and I'm gonna highlight this triangle. It's gonna be OAB. So we have this triangle right here. All right, so that's the triangle we have. And I'm gonna label some of the sides. I'm gonna give you segments. Excuse me, just so you can see it a lot better. So this whole segment, let's make that, let's just say that it's about 8 inches. All right, and this bottom segment down here, let's say that that's about 10 inches. So let's just say that this is about 10 inches. All right, so we're giving it some background knowledge, some background info, so you can see it better. And basically it means this: if I draw a line segment right down the middle, okay, let me use a different color because I think yellow and green are too close, but let's draw this segment, CD. All right, and it splits your triangle into a smaller triangle. And now this segment, let's say that is 4, and this segment over here is 5. All right, so 4 inches, 5 inches. What it means is this. All right, if we were to write this as a proportion, so the large segment is 8 over the small segment, which is 4. All right, same thing over here. The large segment is 10 over the small segment, which is 5. So we're just writing it as a proportion, as a ratio right now, or as a fraction, whichever you prefer. This reduces to 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Notice that the ratio is exactly the same. And that's what this states. It just that it uses a lot of letters. So OA over OC, which is what we did. This is OA over OC. If that equals OB, which is the 8, over OD, which is 4, we can call CD a side splitter. All right, so this purple line is called a side splitter because the ratios are the same. All right, that's all it means. So if they tell you, oh, we have a side splitter, CD is a side splitter, so you can assume that these 2 ratios are going to be equivalent. So big length over little length, big length over little length, and they equal this way. It's going to help out with some of the calculations. So please make sure to practice it in the problem sets. All right, so you go ahead and do that. But that's the first thing that we're going to look at. So hopefully that made sense. All right.